Did you know that Elon Musk co-founded OpenAI in 2015? Yeah, that's crazy. That's just one thing that you should know about ChatGPT, OpenAI, and what's coming up with all new projects. Now, on Twitter, tons of people are breaking down all the different things that have happened last year, different projects, all those different things. So let's just go into a few things how it's going to be changing the world and things that you can be using with OpenAI and other projects using the power of AI and machine learning. First one up is Replit. Now, this allows you to assist you when you're coding. So, Replit is a platform that you can write code and imagine it like Google Docs. You can have multiple people working in writing code at the same time, but also you can be using this thing called now Ghostwriter that allows you to it essentially helps you to write code. Now, once again, some people are like, well, it doesn't take away developers. No one said it does. It just helps you write better code faster. So you still need to understand the structure of what you're doing, but this really helps you as you're doing this as well. So that's something to keep an eye out. And GitHub has something as well that's pretty similar when you're doing that as well. The next thing is Runway. Now, this is interesting because just by prompting the platform, you can be doing a lot of different things, such as you can say, make beautiful flowers or do different things. It will generate that, but also using different tools, you can replace certain parts of the images. And that's really just the start. You can do so much by doing text to 3D textures. You can add green backgrounds. You can replace backgrounds. You can export alpha, you can export different things. And also you can do motion tracking, all using Runway. Now, if you're having trouble like myself, and maybe you just get you don't know what to write for your emails, blog posts, or social media, you can be using copy.ai as well. Now, a lot of these different things, again, you can be using the different products coming from open.ai to now empower you to create your own micro SaaS, very similar to copy.ai, or do something with Dolly 2, which allows you to use images and create images. If we're looking at another thing like a Mid Journey, if you've never heard of this, this allows you to create speculative uh, images, and you can do this in their Discord. Right now, it's in beta, so it's just getting started. But this is just one image. If you do a Google search on just Mid Journey, you can see tons of things that people have created, and I will let everyone else in the comment sections talk about what they think about legalities of all this stuff. This, let's just be honest, this is very new. So there's a lot of things that are going to be coming out regarding regulation. But right now, these are the things that are available. So make sure you look at terms of service, what you can do, and use good judgment as you're going through this. One more thing to consider is Whisper. This allows you to really harness speech recognition and do a lot of things. You see, one person created a software as a service around using Whisper, where it transcribes their favorite podcasts, and then they're using those transcriptions and having that provided for their newsletter for their audience. A lot of interesting things around OpenAI and people either using the different product suites from OpenAI or also just in the AI space in general, creating a lot of different wonderful tools for people to use and to really uh, get get better or be faster at something using AI and machine learning. Let me know in the comment section down below, what are you using? What are you trying to create in the coming year? And what questions do you have? What other videos do you want? If you like these kind of videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this all the time. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, now. Bye bye.